Hey friends, Anthony Curlew here with eXp Realty and GilbertNewHomes.com. Today I am at the Towns at Annecy. Yes, I had to look again, by Tri-Point Homes, and this is a condo community which is right adjacent to Santan Village Mall. So it's right off of Santan Village Parkway between Market Street and Ray, I want to say. First time I'm here, so forgive me for not knowing exactly where I'm at, but I want to point out this amazing water feature behind me. I love water. I'm from the East Coast. I grew up around water, and I also owned a condo. So these are condo, technically, townhome structures, but condominium ownership. And the reason I liked my condo back east was because it was maintenance free. When I had my condo, I was single, I worked a lot, and I didn't want to have to deal with anything, maintenance, what have you. And so the cool thing is, with your condo fee, a lot of things are covered, including amenities such as, roofs and, other things like that. So it's a lot different than an HOA. It's good. The monthly fee is higher, but it also covers a whole lot more. So if you're looking for simplicity and also brand new, you might want to check out this community. Feel free to reach out to me, 480-818-4315 or gilbertazrealty.com. Have a great day.